America, and Louise. Horrible with names. It took me 3 years to figure out theirs, and I only know them for 2. So, this is a game called Sound Effects.
No.
And what we're going to do is we're going to have you provide the sounds for John, and we'll have you provide the sounds for Bill. So,
Go ahead.
for example,
Go ahead and put the mic right up to your lips and make the sounds.
I know I don't do this stuff very well.
I don't know what it sounds.
No, you're doing great.
you're doing great. You're doing great, right? All right, and Bill.
How you like my motorcycle, John?
That is cool.
It starts when you sit on it. Right by itself.
All right. What's an event at a county fair that these two might be able to start off having a competition at?
Pig racing.
Pig racing? Pig racing?
Pig toss.
All right.
Racing or racing?
Pig toss. Pig toss.
We'll go with pig toss. Pig toss. That should be the name for it. Very interesting. Now, in this scene, the two of you are rivals, obviously, at the county fair. We're going to start off with pig tossing, but you are both competing to find out who can get the most blue ribbons.
You call that a pig? This is a pig.
Oink.
Yeah.
What if I put my pig on your pig's back?
Doesn't appear to like that.
The nice baby.
Anyway. Look, Chester, I have more blue ribbons than you. You like that?
You need some ointment for that. Here. I'll put my piggy down. I have some ointment right over here.
You just ruined all my ribbons.
Yeah, but they look so pretty with the cream on.
Look, let's get on to the tossing. Get away with your ointment stuff. Anyway, look, a real man throws a real pig. Okay. You ready, Giant? Oh, excuse me, my back.
You sure you didn't have one of them burritos again? You did! You had one of them burritos.
All right, excuse me for a second. I'm gonna just go in here for just a second.
Flushy, flushy.
You gonna get that pig out of there? You want me to show you how to sell first? Fluffy's really...
Okay, fine,
He's
big
real
shot.
quiet. He's real quiet.
Fine, go ahead. Show me how it's done.
Okay. Fluffy, you ready?
Look at that.
Oh, Fluffy, Fluffy.
You threw him on top of a dog.
We shouldn't have these races so close to the dog pits. Come on, Fluffy. Fluffy.
Now, I'll show you how it's done.
I think Fluffy.
You get a man-sized pig. Here, you pick him up.
Is that the burrito?
I gotta get a running start. Ready?
Oh, you landed on Fluffy!
He not yes.
Oh, you killed Fluffy!
You know what? Think of him as bacon.
You're probably thinking of him as a bacon breakfast burrito, aren't you?
You know, kind of like burritos.
I can tell.
Look, tell you what. Look, let's go down to the bar. Let's let's get in my truck right here, and we'll just go down the bar.
Okay.
All right? I oiled that. It don't make any noise at all. I'll get in my door. This is a little more creaky.
Come on, hurry up, let's go.
Hold on. See?
That's sweet.
It's squeaky, but it doesn't make any noise when it clunks.
You gotta sit this ride real pretty.
Thank you. Okay, I'll put my key in to see if this thing starts. Darn it. All right, there it goes.
You turn on the radio?
Go ahead.
No, what channel that is? How about one of them? Don't like that one either. I want a news station.
That's all I listen to. You do all the stations you want. Okay, we're gonna drive down the bar. You ready?
Okay.
Let me put on the accelerator. There's actually one of their futuristic space transporter things.
Okay, that's easy to use.
Alright. We're at the bar. Let's get out and get ourselves a drink.
Slam.
That's a crappy car you got.
Yeah?
It goes fast though.
I bought it from your mother. Alright. This is my favorite saloon.
What do you have?
Well, I want to go in through the door first.
No, we're gonna order out here, and when we get in, the order will be ready. Great. I got my phone.
Really?
What would you like? The usual of Cosmo?
Sure. Might as well. Make it double. Wow. That's kind of fancy. No screen or anything, just buttons. That's great.
I didn't even have to look at it anymore.
That's
That's
fantastic.
it.
All right,
That's
let's
it.
go inside.
Your mojito and your Cosmos with it.
Okay, well, that's great, Carol. We'll go inside this side.
Wow. It's usually there's much more music going on in here.